Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants, and I'm so excited today to share with you how I'm going to turn a simple corn cob into the most delicious stretchy vegan cheese that you can use on pizza, in toasties, on baked potatoes. The options are endless. It's so quick and easy to make. It's much cheaper than going to the supermarket and buying some. So let's get into the recipe. So for this first part of the recipe, it's really simple. All we're doing is blending some basic ingredients. I've actually got some corn kernels here, about half a cup's worth, and this has been grilled, so it's got a nice smoky, charred flavour to it. But if you just have regular corn kernels from a tin or some frozen that you've defrosted, then that's perfectly fine. So all we're doing is adding this into a blender. I'm also adding in about half a teaspoon of coarse Celtic sea salt and just a dash of white pepper. If you don't like the taste of white pepper, regular pepper will do, or leave it out altogether. Also going in is a tablespoon of nutritional yeast flakes. These are fabulous, not only for your B12 intake, but also to give this a delicious cheesy flavour. Now, to give this a stretchy consistency, I'm going to be using some tapioca flour. Finally, we're adding 1 cup of liquid. So you could put some plant-based milk, you could put vegetable broth, or you could even just use water. Today I'm using some soy milk just to add a little bit of extra protein to this, but like I said, you can choose whichever liquid you like. And then give this a blend up. Okay, so this has been blending for about a minute or so. It's nice and mixed together and ready for the next stage. For the next stage, we're just going to cook this mixture up. So basically what I'm going to do is use a non-stick fry pan, but you could use a non-stick pot or the pot of your choice. I like to use non-stick because then it's much easier to mix together and it doesn't all stick to the bottom. So I have this on about a medium heat. Just keep stirring this so it doesn't stick, and you will notice it will start to thicken quite quickly. I like to use a silicone spatula for this, just so you can go around the edges and really make sure that everything is off the edge and being mixed together really nicely. And then in just a few minutes, your cheese is ready to go. It's ooey gooey, it's stretchy. Ooh, yum. I'm going to actually make some pizza tonight and use this on there. But like I said, the options are endless. Make some cheese toasties. I used to have cheese and pineapple toasties as a child, so this is actually a perfect substitute for the cheese part. Oh, it just smells so good. I'm just going to turn off the heat. And then I'm going to give this a taste test because it just smells so good, especially with the grilled corn. Delicious. Oh, so gooey. I love that. That is so good. It's so tasty. Smoky from that grilled corn and slight sweetness from that corn as well. It's so tasty. I hope you give this recipe a try. I'll leave a link down below for the recipe. Please like and subscribe and share this recipe with your friends if you know they would love this recipe as well. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now. Oh, yum, yum, yum.